when you are trying to build a requirement, right? If you can build it in small modules, like each part of each like an individual task. So I would say, like, first tune your requirements according to the tasks, and only then you can further add on to the each task, which will keep changing. I will say, like, you won't get everything, because the more you see, the more you start using, you'll get the more changes for you. So in order to not to compromise the go live state or this thing, tune your the whole requirement into subtopics and build the apps according to that. Here we usually call it forms or subtasks and all. So that's where we were able to, every system we broke into a further function or a task, and then we started tuning only that. And we always had a backup, and then we did the new thing, tested it, and then replaced the backup with this one. So that's where we never broke the flow in middle, while we still were able to implement changes and then go ahead with the next accommodation of the changes. I hope I answered the question.
I can add a few words to this relative to Agile. One thing I didn't, because we didn't talk about everything Agile, but if you really want to apply Agile, this means also that testing becomes a first-class citizen in the process. So in other words, normally in Agile, testers are part of the team, right? Now, when you're using no-code, low-code, if the application is complex enough that needs testers, I think all applications need to be tested, even if it's written with low-code, at least user acceptance testing. Maybe you don't need to do performance testing or load performance because the platform manages that for you. But if you are, if you have to test the processes, you have to test the user experience, then testing has to be part of the team. Agile, we call that Agile testing. So in other words, what you want to focus on is not just speed, as you correctly asked about, but it's what I call quality at speed, or speed with quality. So Agile doesn't necessarily, mean go fast and break things. That's not the goal.